here's another one of those tips and tricks videos. This one is how to make yourself a truss rod cover out of leftover wood from your headstock overlay. And it's very simple to make, but they look really good. So, let's get to it. This was cut off here, actually right there. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to combine it with this, and I'm going to make a truss rod cover. Pretty. Alright, so one truss rod cover done. It was made out of a leftover piece of the headstock veneer, like I showed you, and the white wood is American holly. Had a little leftover piece on the shelf there, and I hung on to it for such a purpose. Love that shape. Goes really well with the shape of the headstock. Okay, so that's it, man. Really easy. Sand it to whatever grit you want, and then finish it however you want. You know, you can do it with true oil, you can spray it with lacquer, you can spray it with polyurethane, whatever you want, and then all you got to do is drill the holes in it, countersink the holes, so your screws aren't sticking out, or maybe you want your screws sticking out. It's up to you on the look you want, but that's it. We'll see you next time. Behave yourself. Peace.